He hits a whole new level. GB2 Echo Coin has been upgraded this year. I just finished testing the flagship model Bar 1300 MK2. The speaker configuration is exaggerated. There are 29 units in total. It's almost an array-limited speaker. At the same time, it has also been upgraded to double 8 inches. Active is the subwoofer output increased from 300 watts to 1200 watts. The specifications and actual effects of the upgrade will be detailed later. Also got the next video of Bar 800 Mark II. Let's talk about the 29 units of the 1300 Mark II separately. The subwoofer accounts for 2. The remaining 27 are used in the main box and surround. The cabinet is almost covered with speakers from the front to the sides. There are also a total of 6 sky units at the top. As can be seen on the way, the place where the speaker can be placed is full. Compared with the old flagship 1300X, the front of the main box has 2 more runway units and 2 1-inch silk dome tweeters. Therefore, the first 3 channels have independent and exclusive treble. High-frequency clarity and sound consistency will be better. These densely arranged speaker arrays are complemented by upgraded versions. Multibeam 3.0 optimizes speaker array positioning and precision control. Achieve more precise sound. The directivity of the restoration is further narrowed compared to version 2.0. Not only can the main cabinet accommodate 7 channels, it also allows for better separation of each channel. The sound is positioned more clearly. A reverse tube known as the slipstream can be seen on the back of the main cabinet. Judging from the test data, the cutoff frequency of the front channel is around 85 Hz, lower than the common 120 Hz. Therefore, it is not necessary to rely entirely on the subwoofer supplement. The texture of the voice, such as the playback, will be thicker. The interfaces on the rear of the fuselage include HDMI with 3 in and 1 out, supporting ERC and optical input. 2 microphones on the top of the fuselage, for calibration and ambient noise detection. Echo coins with surround speakers are required for a complete surround sound experience. The biggest feature of JBL's mid to high-end Echo coin is that it can be detached with surround speakers. This is not a good idea for those who don't want the surround speaker to be on all the time. It is the most suitable for users on the edge of the sofa. Compared with the old 1300X surround speaker, from a full range plus a treble on the front, it has become 2 runways. Add a 2-inch round full-range unit. The sound unit extends from the front to the side. Add a 2.75-inch sky unit. It will give the speaker 4 units and 4 sound directions. This pair of surround speakers does not only take on side surrounds, the playback of the rear surround sky channel. You can also play all sounds with only the surround speakers in late night mode. Because it is close to the user, only a small volume is required to hear clearly. In broadcast mode, the same sound is played around the main cabinet. This way, you can also listen to the full content in other rooms. These functions are in the app JBL One on the mobile phone. This pair of surround speakers can also be paired with Bluetooth TWS as a stereo. The speaker supports SBC and AAC encoding formats, and the sound quality is quite good. Bring your headphones to listen. Look up and sing you into a song. That's where I came from. It's also where my heart belongs. All the roads in the world will meet you. If you want to love the world you love, may you smile as you wish, and I will see you in your hands. Please take me there, tomorrow, if you have cried to my heavens. Surround speakers, usually installed on the main cabinet to play ordinary videos and music. It is not necessary to take it off to keep the room tidy. When playing multi-channel content, for example, watching movies and playing games, needs to be placed. The interface between the side rear position and the main box, the side contact type of the previous generation, has been changed to an upper and lower contact type. Use its own gravity to maintain contact, long-term stability. At the same time, one-handed operation is more convenient. And in order to maintain the beauty after disassembly, it can be equipped with magnetic suction and decorative baffles to make this box look more complete, because the unit on the outside of the surround speaker is reflected through the rear wall. Presents the positioning effect of the rear surround speakers in a 7.1 channel layout. Therefore, the correct placement method is as shown in the calibration procedure. Can also guide the correct placement. Another change in the Bar 1300 MK2 is the subwoofer, upgraded from 12-inch inverted to dual 8-inch units. The active subwoofer has a volume of only 12 liters. The space is smaller, and it is not in the way when placed on the edge of the sofa. but low-frequency diving has not shrunk. The output power is increased from 300 watts to 1200 watts. The upper limit of output sound pressure has been increased. It also reduces dynamic compression at high volumes and reduces distortion. In addition to hardware upgrades, software optimization is also important. Vocal enhancement, pure voice upgraded to 2.0, smart details, and iSoundBoost technology to improve overall performance. Next, let's take a look at a simple frequency response test. First, declare. These tests are greatly influenced by factors such as room shape, system settings, etc. as cannot be used as a rigorous performance evaluation. According to the main cabinet and surround speaker, the low mid and low frequency restoration ability is relatively good. The cutoff frequency is about 85 to 90 Hz, and the subwoofer crossover frequency covers up to 120 Hz. Therefore, the vocal performance is thicker. The double 8-inch active is a subwoofer. dB diving can be done within 30 Hz. Its advantages are greater output power and upper sound pressure. Therefore, it is capable of handling larger rooms. When the bass bubble is closed, the frequency response of each channel of the Bar 1300 M2 can be seen. Has great consistency. As a result, the sound does not feel abrupt when moving. After a few weeks of experience, I would like to talk about my overall feelings. 1,300 square meters is among the echo coins I have heard. The sound is most like a professional cinema system. This obviously has a lot to do with JBL's technology accumulation in professional cinema equipment. And due to the dense arrangement of the speaker array, the coherence of the change of sound orientation is excellent, and the inverted tube added to the main cabinet make the front channel performance thicker. The high-frequency performance is also more restrained with the default EQ settings. Listening to your ears for a long time is not easy to get tired. The subwoofer's strength and volume performance are very good, especially the sense of speed, impressive. As the old saying goes, it is not greasy with water. Next, play some recordings of the playback effects. Of course, the more high-end the equipment, the more difficult it is to reflect the true level of the recording.
但我还是想给大家带来一些更为直观的感受。需要佩戴频响，比较宽的耳机才能得到真实的效果。
Yo-Yo 独播剧场 Yo-Yo Television Series Exclusive。
是谁在敲打我窗？是谁？
在撩动琴弦记忆中，那波 all the shine, that the sand spotlights, all star swesti from the night sky will never be. Nuff never be nuff temple sagor still to little. Disa hand scoot hold world bu title never bina form. Never, 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 never form.
小君子爸爸来冲击了。默。
啊！
他以为我负责你。
What are you out owing? No. Don't that hat prop. Get out. What? Louder. No. 175 says you were firing at him. Somebody start Ted shooting at us first. Now the rest still fucking shooting at us. We'll stop shooting at Tusand when we'll stop shooting at them. They reshooting Gadia. Just fucking shoot back. That's what time to Lingia. Wego nerdy is firing. Okay, Thin Lean. They reflaking us. Zombieland. Move back. Upstairs window.
老板，我们有大领域来到那里的车。
那是我们。